Interesting. Must open that as well. Okay, it says stream is healthy, so we go from there. Okay. So, workflows. I don't need too many workflows of that right now. So, stuff I need to do. What I needed to do. So, what we need to do is draw out XD designs for each page. Realistically, I should be able to. Can I? Yeah, I can. So, page flow. No. So obviously that doesn't work. Where's no underline? No, only italic. Oh, this is okay. Yeah, fair. Okay. So page flows. We go. So we have our landing page. That will basically be one. I do forget that I can just use that instead. Nope, there we go. So it's our landing page. Why would this work? There, great, landing page. How could that? I really don't. I'm so confused. Anyway, I don't really care too much. Okay, so then from our landing page, then we'll have the option to go to. So I should say. Can't do that. Okay. So our landing page will have. Okay, it's the first time I've used this and it's not going. There we go. So, landing page will have introduction. To site. I forgot I'm not using it. That will so the introduction will basically be a little about me, what I do, and what this site has to offer. So then on that then there will be, so on that landing page then you'll have the introduction to the site, which will look roughly, so if we get our lines out, I don't even know if that's straight or not. I think that's straight there. So basically, text. Just the name of the page. And then we'll have something like, you know, showcase. Can I move this? No. Can move it. Showcase. We can have showcase. What else to do on the page? Showcase. I'll just stick it up there for the moment. It won't be here, but I'll have it somewhere else. I don't know. We'll say, I don't know what else go. Like, I'm trying to, like, so that's about resume works there as well, and then say hello. Oh, contact me. And then we can say, over on the far side here, we could have something like, you know, have a or not have a problem. We'll go, have an issue, click me or something. Something along those lines. There we go. So something like that anyway. So then you'll have like a circle in here with like the logo. Well, actually, that's in the middle. This needs to come in more. It's 204. Bang on. Okay. So then we have. So kind of this area. I can do, yeah. So like this area here. I could do layers. So this area is what I'm gonna call this is gonna be the Jumbotron. Okay, this will be logo. Say logo. Can I group these? Sorry. Can I group these? Yes. Nav bar. Actually, yeah, so, like, let me bring you over. No, the whole page I want over. Why can't I just bring the whole page over? Oh, for fuck's sake. for fuck's sake. Oh no. Oh, don't want that either. Go away. Jesus, this is hard. Oh. Oh, we'll go there. I don't really care at this stage. So, because I'm gonna write basically. So, like, there's gonna be two kind of like paragraphs that go between here and here. We'll start them like here. I could say one just decent sized paragraph. I'll be a bit to pick a point anyway on that side. Doesn't matter. So then we'll group those as well. And that is gonna be, that group will be what? I think that group is gonna be my kind of about me slash I got about site actually really is what the site is gonna be. Jumbotron. Okay, so and then open it. Thank you. That rectangle bit is gonna be the about site section. Paragraph. Logo Jumbotron. Okay. So kind of the idea I had for kind of colors, etc. So the Jumbo go away. The Jumbotron will be something like a light grey type color. I think because can I put an image in here? Can I put an image in here? Plain mode. I can only try, I suppose. Pictures. Let's see. I can. Sick. I would like that a bit more blown up, to be fair. Ah, there we go, actually. Bit smaller. Can I go a bit smaller? Zoom out a bit. Ooh, okay, no, we'll leave it with that for the moment. Have a good thing going here. Okay, well then maybe I might just make it black then, to be honest. Do you know that? I might just make that jumbo black then. Because we'll blend in with this. Black edges. So it blends in. Can always make that bigger. Okay. So then when it comes to the nav bar then, I should really make that a box, to be fair, rather than a line. So then that rectangle then, this will definitely be a light grey colour because it's going to be slightly opaque. So we're going to need these we're going to need, actually those will probably be better off white, will they? They're going to be opaque. I'll leave them white for the moment. They're going to be opaque though, so I don't really think it matters. That's more of a personal design thingamajiggy, design choice. So then so that's exactly what that's going to be like. But I'm not going to have this grey though. I want this to stand out in a... So... Well, what I could actually do is have it black, but actually have a white border around it. So we know where it sits in the page. Okay. We could do that. So let's have a quick... So I know... I honestly have no idea what that looked like. What did it actually export? Oh, for feck's sake. It only exported the about paragraph. I can't believe that. Because what I want to do is put those... I want to actually put these in here. I don't care the previous, to be honest. Oh, I need to... That's not what I want either. I can't add them in there, can I? Doesn't look like it. Okay. So what did I had showcase price list. Connect me. I have an issue. So showcase price lists. Contact me and having an issue. Okay. What we'll do is there's a place. Oh, will I stick on Imgur? It's probably easy to do at the moment, I suppose. Let's go with it. I don't actually care, to be honest. I don't think I have any. Oh, I do have some. Oh, fair. Oh, what did I just do? Oh, move the top. Fair. How do I do stuff on this again? I on it. Oh, there. Queer blind. More options. Let's embed the post. We don't want to. No. Fair. Looks like we're grabbing a link. Copy it. Okay, your post is currently hidden, so as it should be. Okay. Sick. That it? It's been a while since I've done this. Oh. Shame it worked. It worked. Okay. The other couple of things I need to do, because I already have I should say the things that are done are the Heroku setup. Actually, technically that's in progress actually. So Heroku final setup. So technically that actually should be there, because what is done there is the proc file is done, the initial landing the initial URL setup is done, and the initial Ruby stuff is also done. To be done, so what has to be done is the Cloudflare link. That's just a good thing to do as well. The Cloudflare link, the testing flow, workflow. Those are at the moment. I'm really certain I can actually just adjust those again. Yeah, I can. Cloudflare setup. What else has to be done? Why are all these in draft? Oh, because I have to. So this is just overview. Okay, what else? So, to do, in progress, and done. What else do we need? So, I suppose the thing is, what is actually done? What is actually done? So that core CSS. Okay, so then what's also to do then is obviously to I'm gonna have to code up. So code code site code site. Basically that's there. So what we have done is the initial INIT-IAL, the initial landing page. That's going to be redone. To be redone. What is actually on that at the moment? The hero. What actually? Oh, hello. Nice. I don't know what I closed that for. Open that. Just move to the other tab. So that's pretty much it. Nothing else has happened really with this. It's literally just right. Okay. So, what we're gonna do? Initial pack to be done. What is to be done? No, back to that there for a minute. So, to be done is so we're obviously going to I forgot maybe coffee. Oh, what's to be done? Obviously a total rehaul. total redo of landing page. So what I'm going to do actually with these is make them checkboxes. Okay. So total redo of landing page. What we're going to do is the skeleton of connected pages. And then we can then start. Now these are gonna be really broad because they'll be redone. Fill skeletons out. Say that now for the minute. So realistically, I think we can. This is gonna be one of these flows that it's not gonna be very structured. It's just gonna be proper done. So what I'll do is, for the moment, we can use this as our inspiration for the minute and just get that out and clicked. So let's go to our lovely friend called Bootstrap. Okay, so here we go. I don't know why my VS Code is so slow at the moment. It's really annoying. There we go. Nice. Just that. Thank you. Nice. Sick. I know this. Settings.json. Let me quickly do that. So I'll uninstall that first of all. Now, here's what we want to do. Fucking turn that off. What was your one? Oh. It was true and guides. True. Enabled and true. Sound. Sound as a pound. Right. Let's open this thing. Right, let's get rid of most of it. That's literally what you're looking at on the other side is basically just a modified example of this, to be honest. There's nothing else really in it, just that. So, I want to start. Basically, I want to start with something like this in such a way. So you've got your Jumbotron, which is there. But I want my Jumbotron to be the full length, pretty much. Well, I call it a Jumbotron, really, yeah. So I suppose what I would be better off doing at the moment is first of all, we're taking that out of the way. And we are going did I actually do the stupid thing of actually turning around and saying I did, didn't I? These are really annoying me. I actually did. Oh, Lord God. Oh, God, no. I called it home. Because I like home. Okay. And cover container. Take out all that padding. Leave in some of that padding. Body class. Ah, see, no. Let's start from here. And let's just start from the beginning. No, let's start with the header. Nav bars. So we'll just take some of this in. Okay, what nav bar do we want? This one. Or, well, they all have that, I suppose, yeah. And then they just scale at whatever time they want. So, when do I want it to scale? I want the drop down to scale, because I'm not having like a search bar or anything like that. I think I can get away with scaling container XL, I think. Because they're going to be in the middle, don't forget. I'm going to have one out here, so it's not going to be as wide. So container XL is what I'm after. So we'll just take all this, because this is all pretty standard HTML bootstrap stuff, really. I can never remember what that canonical's about, but there was a nice handy link. What was it? Well, I'm on a Mac. I'm not on a Mac anymore. Control K. Oh, fuck's sake. There. Control plus K. See? Oh, my ears itchy, don't. Why has that? I don't know. Right now, it doesn't really matter too much. Yeah, they can all get yeeted. Do do. That link, that href will be yeeted as well, because what we're gonna do is, nope. Gives me. Ba 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 na 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 na. Delightful. Was that actually all that was there? Actually was, to be fair. Okay. Now, I don't know what I typed there, to be honest with you. Body. So, from here then, we grab the XL nav bar, which is on the bottom here somewhere. XL, was that one? Which one was my wanted again? Just love for that, and I just literally just look up matching dot container XL. So it's that one. So it's pretty much this nav what we're looking for. Lads, I want you to fucking go in one, Jesus. Why don't... Oh, there. Okay, so now we see that, and then we can do this. And she's going to scale at a nice option like that. So now we can in here, and we take out the search bar, which is which fella? Of course, I don't have the code for a drop down because I don't have... Oh. Stick him in there. So I'm not going to need that drop down. So I can take out that list element. Okay. And then... So up here where it says container XL, which is over here, isn't it? Okay, and then what we had was showcase price list and contact me. we go contact me. No, so this form fella, we don't want a form fella. We want another... Do we want another UL? No, we don't want another UL. We literally just want a... like a paragraph type thing, really, don't we? What is there a button there for? And what we don't want out of here is the disabled thing. Right. Just had that there for a minute. Now, we need, see, this UL. ME. There we go. See that? Padding's auto in the middle. And if we wanted to then margin border, we could have that to 4, I think. Does that? No, it doesn't do anything. That's just... Oh shit. No. Leave it to 2. I'm very sure if I added in padding right by 2, does that work? No. We just add padding. To be honest, it's actually more so on the nav items, so maybe that would go PR2 then. Or yeah, no, that was PR, no? No, it's content. There is a way for... Where's the padding gone? Components. Nope. Utilities. I want padding. Display colors, borders. Oh no, that's actually they're actual. No, I don't want actual borders. Opacity, position. No, that one. Sizing. So yeah. So W is width. I'm aware of that. W is width. It's S. So it would be E. So it's actually PE2 then. Yeah. So padding end 2. And then padding end 2. Yeah, I think it's a bit better. So then they fall down to that then. Delightful. That's what we're looking for. Okay. At least it works. Okay, so then let's tackle the other issue then of that being, I want that over here a bit more. I want the whole thing to be stretched out a bit more to kind of meet the edges a bit more. So, I want the whole thing to be out a little bit more. 9th. So navbar standard, navbar dark, background dark. I want to go background. I think grey was. No, it wasn't. Let's go dark for the moment. I know, I'll leave it for the minute. I'll just get the other thing working first. So, container XL, navbar brand, which is this. There was a sticky navbar here, wasn't there? Where's that gone now? There is actually sticky footer. Pin a footer to the bottom of the view. I don't want to pin a oh yeah, sorry, that's, yeah. No, I don't want to do that. I wanted to actually do... There is actually... Where's that one? Not sticky footer. Oh, maybe it is that, is it? Pin a footer at the bottom of the viewport. Affix nav bars, adding it to main container. Okay, yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, so see the way that's what I'm looking for, in a way. So let's have a look. This is what product? It is product, yeah. So let's have a look at that code then. So for the header, not the header, navbar even, sorry. So header class. So I'd be better off sticking in a header class then. Is what I'm getting from that. So that is inside the body, correct? Yes, it is. Okay, so header. Right, so that's in header. Now, what I'm going to need here as well is this, because this has some header stuff. Okay, no, it doesn't. Okay. It's got a dock container, which is a max width of 690. Is that what I'm kind of going for? It's a container of 690. Well, we can have it in there, because I can always take stuff back out if I really wanted to. Okay. So now, they have container deflex justify between. That's fine. Header class there, see, header class, sticky top. That's what I need in my one here. Shit. Does this have some padding on the top of this? That's where the padding was. Okay. So now, that's the header. And then inside that then we have then main. That makes sense. That makes sense. And then inside this then. So then we have right, yeah, so all of this, so this bit here, okay, is yeah, is that there. So from here then what I can do is display for, so I don't want to display anything. Okay, so this is where we kind of look for inspiration from the cover. So from this. The reason for that being, so you'll see height 100 here. So that's a div, that's a body class type 100. And then you have the main class then, which is and cover template. So then I come in here and we go that there, sorry. Is that one? No. Nav bars. Where's cover gone? There's cover. Could I put that in the div like this then? Or we just end the div. Let's just see what happens if I put some paragraph text in there. Hi, hello. Background should be black. And text should be white. Is it text white, isn't it? Text white, yeah. Be interesting to see how what this looks like now. Okay. Or the globals and that for box container. So cover container max width. So this is... Oh, that's where you're gonna go. Sorry, hold on. That height 100. Where am I? There I am. Let's go back. So utilities for... Okay, so that's M&M. Don't need that. It's more so as what I'm trying to deal with is not overflow. I need to go for. You go to the toilet, so give me 2 seconds. I would have, John, but the problem is I don't have that set up. So this was the first one that came to my head. I already have that set up, so fuck it, it's fine. It'll do. Back to this bollocks. What do I want to do here? It's not colors, not flex. Helpers, position, stacks. Vehicle training. In what way? What type of vehicle training, John? Usually hidden text truncation components. Drop downs. Oh, how to use Android Auto. It's very simple. Just plug it in and go. It's fine. I've done a good job with it, to be fair with them. There's not a whole lot of finicking about with it. I figured it out. As I said, I don't think it's the hardest thing I've ever used. I like it. The card that I have now at the moment is the one card that I have that's had it built in, and I do like it a lot. I do like it a lot. I need to figure out how to put my chat on my screen. Events, no. because I've just realised how awkward it is when I'm streaming to YouTube as well. That most people probably won't know what I'm talking about. Social alerts. No. Branding. No. I don't know how to do this. Okay, that's a YouTube video I'm going to have to figure out how to do. Menu Rise, the first one I had on. Yeah, same with mine, and I do like it. I like that I just plug the phone in, the phone charges, and the rest of it does its thing. It's nice. Restream. Where do I find this widget? I can't remember where to find it. Afford Edge SEL. Very nice, John. What colour is it? So it's like that then. Minus the parking assistant nav, yeah. Nice car, that. It's a very nice car. Big chunky beast. How you're on a single monitor, follow the steps. So I don't care. Oh, so I got actually you need the chat application. Can I open it? Can I put that on my stream? Where there's a will, there's a way. Where there is a will, there is a fucking way. Ride a car, physical truck. Yeah, that's those old SUVs. My mother has one. My mother has a. What was it? An Opel Crossland X. So it's kind of similar to that we get. It's a big vehicle, but it's really easy to drive. Message line bottom, mate. I'm not shitting from the bottom. Copy. Let's go here. We'll go. That is a browser source. It is a browser source. Oh, wow. I have no idea what size I made that, but anyway, we move. Okay. Default. Can I not just go black? No. I can't just go black, no. Like, why does there have to be a theme and sort to these things? Shit. Message background opacity. Okay, default. 8-bit. No. 8-bit compact. No, it's even worse. Comic. I like the idea. I actually like the idea, that, to be fair. Boom. Oh yeah, hide messages after 30 seconds. Yeah, we'll go 30. 30 seems a reasonable time. Okay. So, copy. Oh, it's probably because of have I chat? It's at this case that I need to go and refresh, guaranteed. There we go. Reloading Windows on my laptop. Reloading Windows on my laptop. I sent my stepmother about 3 to 4 years ago, so that was fun. Hold on, when you say it has remote start, John, that means you can start the car from your thing, right? Your Yeah. Your key fob. That's the word I was looking for. Actually, what fucking window is that? Actually, I need to keep that open. There we go. I'll bookmark that. Yes. Fine. Yeah, I do like that. I like that idea. How does that even look on my stream, actually? Sorry, John. I need to try and figure out how this looks. Twitch. I just can't get a big enough preview. Lads, will you just, like... full screen projector, go. You can hardly see the messages. Sound. No, no, I don't think so, John. I'm using Restream, so probably not. But anyway, I'm not a Twitch affiliate anymore, so I probably don't have any anyway. I just want to chat on my thing, to be honest. I clicked cancel on that, and I'm very sure I shouldn't have. Scale 200 and see what happens. Let's go. Oh no, not building my own. No, this is all in Restream. I'm just trying to make. So like basically, if someone decides to pop into the YouTube stream and go, oh yeah, you know, I can't actually like they won't be able to see you and you won't be able to see me because they're two independent chats. Or if I have it on the thing here, it'll be fine. The idea, it would be fine anyway. I need to make that smaller. That needs to fit in that corner. Like Twitch is just like a secondary thing. Like the main place that like I'll stream into is YouTube. So that's the one thing I'll be taken to. Okay, that seems to be a bit bigger, but I'm going to just scale it to 300 and see. No, not main overlay. Good lord. That could be too big. Nice. I think that's a fine size. So if I full screen projector that. No, I don't have full screen the whole thing. Jesus. Yeah, that's big enough. I think. No, basically what I'm doing, John, is I'm making a new. So I've got this website, which is like my personal, you know, this is, do you want to know about me? You know, send you there type shit. But because I'm doing some more websites and stuff like that, I want to have basically a place where I can show these in a bit more detail, and then be able to give people price lists or be able to contact me different ways, like specific ways. Or then if they have an issue with their website, whatever it is, and you can log a ticket or that kind of shit, you know. It's kind of what I'm doing at the moment. There, so I wanted to go and open that back up. Okay, so so that seems fine. So I don't think I needed that, to be honest. Okay, fine. Now, so that's basically just the paragraph line. But what I really need... Yeah, I'm going to send him an email before I go to bed now tonight. I will. Oh, pardon me. He should get it before Christmas then, so. Okay. Now, what was I trying to do? I was trying to get that to look all the way around. Not like that, because that's different way. That's done already. I need to start getting rid of some of these tabs. That's the way the yoke looks at the moment. It's shit, so. I need... cover. So, I need to figure out how this is going to work. So, cover container. Copy. So... Oh, yeah, so I haven't defined how big this is going to be. Max width is this, and I'm gonna go max height is 100% of the viewport. Nope. Oh, sure, it's in the wrong cover. Is it in the wrong cover? That's in the wrong cover. Fuck sake. Pain in the hole. Well, that's obviously going to be the max content. Fuck, we'll go 1000 pixels and see what happens. Sick. That's good. That's good test for me. So that means then that nav bar is sticky, which is good. And this lad... Oh, I know what I need to do. I need to take off the padding for that. That's exactly what I need to do. But what I'll do is... just do that, so he should come up. Yeah. 100%. Right. So this is where I need to figure out. So this is where we do some googling. So I need something. So a div size. No problem at all, John. Yeah, no, I'm good. I want to try to get back into the whole streaming shit, so. I said I'm my first proper stream using Restream, so trying to see how that works and stuff. So, yeah, no, thanks, sir, for popping in. Sure, if I'm still on, sure, just pop back in. I'll be on for another hour and a half or so, so. Be all good. Div size. Yeah, like, fuck it, might as well get back into it, you know. Might as well. There's enough shy to be doing, so might as well make it productive. Div size of viewport. Oh, sick. Good. I'll just take it to max width. Ugh. Fucking take that out too. Okay, you can move up here. No. Don't save. So now that's gonna be MB. So go back to here. That's dock cover container at max height. Or max width, I should say. I should really just go the actual width. Why is that off? Fine then. Oh, I've got fucking line comments for line comments. Jesus Christ. Actually, wait. Remove line comment. And remove line comment. Then add line comment. Boom. There we go. Okay, so why aren't you, for one, why aren't you center? And two, Jim and Clark. Tick. Okay, so cover container text center. Okay. I wouldn't mind. The text is center. Oh, that'll makes the whole thing center. Right. So there is, where am I? Oh, that's just only gonna make it. Yeah. If I take that out. Oh, nothing. That's not the viewport though. There we go. Sick. Right, so now this is where we can add in an image. Okay, so we got an image source. So in public, we're going to have not a new file. Shite, it's a new folder. That's going to be called images. And I'll drag in my placeholder image, which is this fella. I'm going to rename him. There we go. Now, so here's what we do with this fella. We drop him into image source. That is gonna be images logo profile .png. Is that it? Or is that gonna give me a broken link? Yeah. Do I have to go? No. So image source. What am I? Image is one of those things I don't have to close. So I can never remember image syntax. It's actually embarrassing that I can never remember image syntax, to be quite honest with you. Image source class fluid would probably be go. Sure, that's why that's not going to work. Probably even right the first time. I was sick. That's good, but we just need to scale him down a tad. So, scaling an image. We'll pop him in there and just see what happens to the image. Like, it mightn't do anything significant to it. Okay, back. Yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't do a whole pile to the image. So, this is where we need to see, because it's grand having, yeah, well, that's that needs this. That actually needs to be so that div class, we'll call it well, first of all, so we'll go mx auto, so it's in there. We'll go a height of we'll go 100 and just see what happens to the image. Nothing. Can I do that? No. Okay. What I'll do, I'm going to call it image container. I always like adding MX Auto in here because it does absolute fucking wonders. So, go back to here. Dot image container. So then we'll go height of 100 pixels and just see what happens to the image. Nothing happens to the image, so why is it not scaling for me? We shall take I think that's an important thing to add into there. It's not an important thing to add into there after all. Now, products. So might actually be a width thing for this, is it going to be? Is that WIDTH? Is that what's going to fucking do this, is it? It is width. Fuck it. Okay, that's fine. So that means... what works? That works. Now, so there's your issue right there. This is why we use percentiles. Sorry? Okay. Give me 2 seconds there, lads. Right, I'm back. So, covered at 60%. So let's have a look. See, see, because that's gonna look weird in the phone. So if I do that, see, it's gonna look really weird in the phone. So what I'm looking for now. This is a big old image. Which actually, that makes sense. That makes sense. The maths and that makes sense. So yeah, that's fine. So then we go below that then. So that's in the images. P. Welcome to benjaminclark.tech. Here is where you will find details of all of my work. Of my previous works. I will absolutely to on this how to contact me in the event you would like me to do some work for you. Okay, I said I will absolutely wanna. Okay, so see what that is, right? Now, what's cool about Bootstrap is so it has these little things called displays. It's not there actually, it's actually in text. Okay, and that's font size, line height, monospace, text declaration, variables. Where is that? Displays, content, typography. Display headings. So see these display. Oh, I thought that, okay, fair. So it's only on a really H1 basis then. So I can go, so I can turn this to H1 class display one. Display dash one, yeah. So I don't like the way that is so big. So welcome. And then I can turn these into, is that all in one line? It is, yeah. H2 class display 5. And just see how far that pings me. Yeah, so see how it's massive. Let me see. I think I can do that. I don't think that's too illegal, is it? Probably is. I can't do that. It's 2.5 RAM, yeah. So it is a bit on the big side. So I can go P-Class lead. That's probably what I'm probably looking for. Would probably be better suited for me here. P-Class lead. You can't sub for free. That is such a lie. You cannot sub for free. How do I delete that message? Can I not delete that message? Stream elements. Well, I'm gonna have to take it off. Stream elements. Balls. Stream elements. That is something you can't do no more, boy. Default commands. You can get reefed out here. That's the wrong account. Please don't ask me to sign in again. Thank you. I don't really care about Trovo, to be right honest. To be quite honest, I really don't. Chatbot. Chat commands. Actually, timers I'm looking for. So that prime thing can get in the bin. That doesn't need to be there anymore. Chat update. I don't really care too much. Merch can stay there. Follow can stay there, and Discord can stay there. Those are the things that can stay there. Cool. Okay. That's done. Okay. Huh? That's weird. That should come in now. Why is my... For some reason... Apparently my stream has finished on YouTube, which it definitely hasn't because it's there. I can see it's still live. Or has it? Or is it? It is still live. Or it actually isn't. Oh, it actually isn't. Sorry, no, it is live streaming. It is absolutely live streaming. I can see it's like... Okay, I can see it's live. But for some reason... It doesn't seem to be live. That honestly just does not need to be that big for me right now. I have to go to my dashboard. Streamed time, no. That's strange. I don't know why it's not coming up as... I'm live now, yeah. Okay, fair. I guess I'm just gonna have to pop out my chat and keep an eye on it, so. I suppose. Considering that isn't, there. It's very strange. Because it's sending the data, I can see it sending the data, it's just not coming up to, fuck it, I don't know. Anyway. Lead. Let me back to here. Boom. Beautiful. What I can do actually, so that having some issues, where's that? Having some issue A. And what was the link or a text? No, sorry. Why you want that? Should work, because it's just an A. Oh, it's a nav link. Sorry, I should have that as a nav item, shouldn't I? I don't... I know it's... I know there's a href attached to it. But I don't think it matters. Well, to be fair, it is in that div. So maybe it does matter. Nav link. I'm just trying to figure out now why... So as it is in the collapse. Okay, I just don't want it to be decorated. So alien color white. Oh, should it not just be white? Customizing links. Utilities, no helpers. Colored links. I can have a light link. I actually can have a light link. Oh, you can't make these things up, really, can you, for this? I've done the thing. It's fine. It's back. Don't need this at all. I don't need that at all. I can literally go class equal to light link. I can't, apparently. Why the f... Oh, I know why it wouldn't, because that nav bar is linked to this, and then this is actually need... Yeah, okay, that's why it won't work. Key bag. It looks fine, actually, to be fair. I'm not gonna lie. If we do this... Oh, we won't put that beside anyway. Close that for the moment. Oh, sorry, I did want them further apart, didn't I? I did. Soz boss. I did actually want them further away. Fuck yeah, get back into here for me. So, I wanted the body. No, I don't. I want this nav bar to be content inside to be wider. So if I look at this navbar brand, okay, padding start 1. No, that made it worse. Can I go -1? I can't go -1 because there's already 1. So this is the navbar brand, which is there. And everything else inside is the container fluid and stuff. Placement. Using our position. Nah, it's more so, I think, support the content brand, yes. But as a link, that's fine, but I want it to be more left. Is there a container fluid on that? Div class container XL. Actually, quick question. Was there any of those nav bars that I had opened before? Were any of them massive? Yeah. That one I want. Oh, fucking open, G-bag. Open with. Cute. So really, if I just put container fluid in there, it's actually going to fix my problem that I want. Container fluid. Probably, actually, to be fair, that would make actually a lot of sense. Sick. Yes. Right. I'm not gonna lie. Let me open that image again. Pictures. I wanted a grey. I got it grey, I suppose. Okay. Yes. I understand now. But looking at that... Oh. That's what I can do. So this H1 here, we need to stick this in a div, okay? And the div class is going to be landing para mx auto. Just saves me a lot of hassle and hardship. Okay. Div. Oh, I don't even have to. I can do it with a border, can't I? I can. Borders. E. Okay. Now seeing it, I'm not a lover of the border. It looks better. It does. The border looks better when it's like that, okay? Then it's in its field, right? But the only problem is when you scale it down, when that's going to be really small. Like, I'll show you now. I had a padding of 5 on this, or 4. I had a padding on the wrong one. I didn't. Oh, that's not good. No. You're not gonna believe this. Div. Class. See, it doesn't fit well. Oh. So that border doesn't fit well. So that, What I will say is, though, putting a padding on this, if I even put a padding of 5, it's gonna make a huge difference when I get down to... Maybe not. Maybe just let... Yeah, just take it off the edges. Really. Yeah, just to take it off the edges. Okay, interesting. Okay, cool. So now, the idea of this now, right, is that when I should be able to make a new div down here, okay, sorry, div class, okay, and at the moment what we'll do is we'll just make the background white. Okay. And I'll just stick a paragraph in there for the moment that basically goes next thing. And this, what we want is, this is going to be the showcase container. So then I come in here then, and we go dot showcase container, and we'll go the same thing as the cover container, right? So the idea is that this, but then I should have basically a second thing down here which is the same height. So then that will be something to do like so I'll give you an example of where we would use the I'll call it H1 class display. We'll say 3. I'll go 2 and see how it goes. Do. Or maybe if I just use the margin instead of padding, maybe I'd be better off. Oh. But yeah, so the idea there, so that's going to be the exact same size technically then as the showcase then. Or the showcase would be the exact same size as the other thing. Now, this, you're going to say this is very similar to this, in which I would respond, yes, it is. I want it to be like that. Because I don't want it to be huge difference. Like, both of these are me. Very simple. Both of these are me, but I want this to be a tad bit more personal. So like, I like websites that you look on and go, boom, this is what it's about. Where do you want to go? So that's kind of what I'm looking for. A website that basically goes, this is what we're looking for. Here's what it is. Boom. Now, will I change the back? Yeah, I probably will as time goes on. But I think for the moment, just a standard, this is fine. You know, and then from the showcase then, what I want to do is little cards. So if you look at these, so these basically go to whatever website it is. But what I want to do is kind of similar to these pretty much. So if I click on this, so see these cards, I want to do this, basically these cards. So I can do them, I think I can do them through these. It's like this is, so it's basically this but on click. So when it clicks, I basically want to open this, which, as I said, yes, it can be done. I just don't know how to do it right now. So, and then I want all the cards to be able to use masonry then. So like masonry is that when I do this, so see that the all, so probably the best way to show you is this. So see the way it just fills the available space. That's what I wanted to do. It just fills the available space, because in this thing it doesn't matter what order these are in, just as long as they're there, you know. So that's kind of the idea. So right, so now we've got that. Let's just push it to, so git add all, because we've got quite a new bit of new stuff. Okay, git commit. So overhaul of old site, landing page done ish. Git push. Do you want to ask me for upstream? No, it's not. Okay. So last thing I want to do now is do this. So do up like a quick, a very quick, easy to do flow with this. So see this deploy here, okay? I want to do a pipeline. Okay, so pipeline name is going to be full deploy. Choose a stage to add this app to. Will be in production. Create a pipeline. So now connect to GitHub. Repo name is benjaminclark.tech. Search. Connect. Okay. Review apps can be created for pull requests opened on GitHub. Create review apps to new pull. When enabled, every new pull request opened will create a review app automatically, and push requests will be that are closed. When enabled, new review can wait until Heroku CI passes. Yes. Europe. No, I won't enable it at the moment. So each pipe with Heroku CI enabled is charged at $10 a month. No. Okay, I'll have to do a bit more digging into this because I'm not 100% sure on these. But for the moment, oh, they're enabled already. So if I open this, nice, cool. I like that. I like that landing page. All right, sick. So from main are enabled. Every push to main. So wait for CI to passport. So yeah. So I want to start CI for static web pages. I was trying to see because I know there's Percy. That's just going to give me deploys. You know, I don't care about that. CI, yeah. I think this could be a good thing for Percy to be doing for me, to be honest with you. Percy, is it CI or CD? Percy.io is what it is. So Percy works best to integrate with your CA workflow, running continuously alongside your test suite. We integrate with all common. Yeah, I can do one of those. Yes. Okay, I'm in already. Okay, sick. Create a new project. BenjaminClark.tech. This is going to be my little test of, because if this is the case, I'll do it for pretty much all of my stuff. Link repository. Oh. I've not got that in. Just in case. Okay, I can't do that then. For this anyway. Yeah, that's not gonna work for me. Not gonna work for me at all. Okay. Oh, I wanted to use that. I don't know if I can. No. Okay, I can't use that. I can't use that purpose fully due to the fact that my company bought them. So let's see, it's something there. So UI testing CI. GitHub. It's gonna come up first. It's gonna be the first thing that comes up. No, it's not. Okay, sick. UI. What's the best way to describe this? Browser testing with GitHub Actions. Boom. Delightful. Get started with Actions. Let's go. Learn GitHub Actions about continue. Okay, fine. Just give me a plug and play thing that I can use. Anyone, please? Code examples. Use GitHub hosted runners. Of course, when you use GitHub hosted runners. Container. I don't. The build and test. Build and test Ruby. Well, of course, that's going to run because it's literally just opening Sinatra. So, like, that's not the issue. The issue for me is I want to be able to see. So, it's a UI test. So, it's a browser UI testing with GitHub Actions. Running browser tests from GitHub workloads with Selenium. I don't want to write Selenium tests. Oh, that's such effort. Like, I know I could use browser tag for this, but no. Okay. I'll come up with some other way of doing it in the future. Anyway, but for the moment, let's go back to this board. No, I'm not doing that yet. Code site. Total read of landing page. Done. Of course, not interactive. Why would they be? Okay. And then the skeletons for connected to the pages, they'll be coming. Just the rest of them. Cloudflare setup. I don't want to do any of that yet because I want to keep it relatively offline first before I start pointing URLs and stuff. So I should not have clicked that link. Go away. So yeah. Okay, that's good. I like that. I don't need that view, to be honest with you. I really don't. Delete. Overview. I should really call it overview board because I'll get confused if I do another view like that. Yeah, cool. That will expand exponentially. So I will continue to do that. Sick. Right. I think it's gonna be me then. I think that was an interesting, good, and productive stream. Stink of vodka out of that is vile. Anyway, cool. I'll drop some more plans, and I'll figure out a place to put them. Probably end up being a Google Doc somewhere, but we move. So yeah, I will chat to you all in a bit. See ya.